Hi, welcome. I don't know if you've ever lost a part from your model kit and you don't have a 3D printer like I don't. I actually lost this part from the kit and I remade it using the polystyrene sheet. These are the ones I use. They come in all different thicknesses and different shapes you can get. I've had these for quite a while now, these sheets, and they do last for quite a long time. And as you can see, they can be very thin. You can make almost any part for your model out of these without having a 3D printer. And I find it quite enjoyable actually to make the parts. The actual cement I use for gluing the parts together, I just use this Tamiya, and it is better to put the pieces together and then apply the cement. So I find if you just hold the pieces together, they glue quite well, even the thin ones. So as you can see, you can make almost anything out of these. Now the paint, I have used the Tamiya. I find it doesn't go on very well onto the plastic sheets, even with primer. So I tend to use the Valero. I find it goes on very nicely, even with a brush. So this piece was made using the plastic card. And it looks just like the original one. I used the small round part to go up and then just cut the shape out. Also, it's not just used for small parts for your models. Also my hobby is engage railways, and this is all made using the plastic card. It's not finished yet, so you can make quite large things. These are just some of the other small parts that did break off. This part completely broke off, was remade, including the mirror. This was another one I used the plastic cards. I made his straps, and then round the edges was just the round plastic card, because the model didn't come with straps on, so I just made that as well. The actual styrene sheet, you can use a hobby knife, or the thin stuff you can just cut with scissors. So it's quite a handy thing to have. And if you've got to make small parts, it lasts for a long time. So thank you for watching.